Hey guys, in this video we are going to be doing the word problem that goes with Learning Outcome 5. I can find the greatest common factor, or the GCF. Miss T wants to pack first aid kits for her climbing trip. She has 36 bandages and 24 ice packs. Circle that. Looks important. We're asked two questions. What is the greatest number of kits she can make in order for each kit to have an equal number of bandages and an equal number of ice packs? And the second question is, how many bandages and ice packs will be in each kit? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to think, how do we know that this is a greatest common factor question? And some keywords that I see that tell me this are that word greatest and this word equal number, that phrase equal number. And then I also know that we're making groups. So the idea that we're making groups is really useful whenever we're finding the GCF. We're going to find the GCF of two numbers, 36 and 24, but we're talking about 36 bandages and 24 ice packs. Right. Let's find the factor pairs for each of these numbers. So for 36, we have 1 times 36. Always start with 1 times that number. We have 2 times 18. We can do 3 times 12. Let's try out 4. You can use your calculator on this and divide 36 divided by 4. And if you end up with a whole number, then it would be a factor pair. And yep, it works out. 4 times 9. Let's try out 5. 5 doesn't work. Let's try out 6. 6 works with 6, and that's our repeat. So once you hit that, you don't have to do any more. All right, 24. So we're going to start with 1 times 24. Then we'll do 2 times 12. We'll see, does 3 go into it? You can absolutely pause at any time. Check it out in your calculator. 24 divided by 3. Yep, 3 goes into 24 8 times. Let's keep going down the list. 4 times what number? 4 times 6 gives us 24. Does 5 work? Nope, 5 does not work. So 4 times 6, that's our repeat. Now let's find some of these common factors. These are always our steps when we're finding the greatest common factor. I see that they both have 1 in common, 2 in common, 3, 4, and 6. You could circle either 6 here. You could circle both. I'm going to be wacky. I'm going to circle that 6. So our common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. This step is super important because now that you have them listed out, I see, aha, 6 is my GCF. And it's the GCF of 36 and 24. But we are not done yet because we have 2 questions that we need to answer. And the first one is, what's the greatest number of kits that she can make? So the greatest number of kits that she can make is that greatest common factor. So it's 6. So our first one, I'll even label it as A, is the greatest number of kits she can make is 6. And our second question here says, how many bandages and ice packs will be in each kit? Now, for this, I'm going to go to the numbers, the factor pairs that include that 6. So here we have 4 times 6. That used our 6. And here we have 6 times 6. That also has our greatest common factor. And the answer to B is going to use both of those other factor pairs of the 6. So for this, I'm going to say that the kits can each have, and here we're talking about bandages, so the other number there is 6, so they can each have 6 bandages. And they can have, here's our ice packs, they can each have 4 ice packs. All right. Thank you for watching.